this week's Toolbox edition. So first, my buddy gave me this. They have a Matco dealer where he works at. So that's a Matco. Now I have the Mac little pocket pry bars. There's the angle. But look at that Matco. Boy. Heavier duty. Alright, so that's the freebie. And then the Radiator Drain cockpit set. I cut out a socket the other day. Had to get one, but a little 1/4 inch drive. 2-piece set here. I think it was 20 bucks. But man, save you some time for sure. And they had just this one for like $8.99, or the 2-pack for 20. And then I got these off Amazon. I got this off of the Snap-on truck. It was 60 something, I think. But then as soon as I got off the truck, I looked on Amazon, it was 38. Threadmate, universal thread repair tool. So just tighten it down like so. I don't know. Did I need it? Probably not, but hey. I'm sure it'll come in handy at some point. But if you are interested, Amazon for $38 instead of off the truck, 60 something. All right, thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day.